Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a tour of a vintage Coach station bag for you. Definitely one of the classic vintage bags, a very popular style. So this station bag is in the color Mahogany Brown, as you can see, and this specific bag was made in the US in the year 1999, and the style number for station bags was 5130. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up view now of the bag. So here's the front, and here's the side, and the back. There's no back pocket on this one, on this specific style. Here's the side, and then the front again, and then it does come, of course, with a crossbody strap. So this one comes with the adjustable strap. I think some older station bags didn't come with an adjustable strap, but this specific one does. So we would just connect it here to the side hardware pieces, and then you can carry it as a crossbody, or of course you can carry it by the top handle. But this is what it looks like with the strap attached, and then I'll go ahead and show you now the rest of the bag. So as we open up the turn lock, it does have a pretty big pocket in the front here, so I guess it kind of makes up for it not having a pocket on the back. And then of course here's the inside of the bag. It's got a pretty roomy interior, and then it does have a slip pocket in the back as well. And the crease is back here, which I'll show you a picture of now. So that's the station bag for you. This one is newly listed in our Etsy shop, so I'll of course link it below if you're interested and want to check it out further. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.